welcome back to the channel. Real quick, man, y'all know some days out of the week I wouldn't call it bored, but I get to a blank state in the shop. I just physically get tired of doing stuff. That's why I say, man, the older you get, the more you should try to figure out how to work smarter instead of working harder, because physically you're gonna have to adapt to that strategy anyway. But anyway, I decided to take some questions periodically out of the week. And one question I got on my YouTube page, man, I have Facebook, Instagram just getting up and running. So, but for now, if you have questions, you can ask me on any one of the videos. I get notifications on my YouTube page on any of the videos. So it don't have to be a topic of what the video, it don't have to be what the video is about. You can ask me anything on any video, and it comes straight to my phone. I can see it, and I will try to answer back real quick. Anyway, let me get on with it. A friend of mine's a subscriber. She have a hard time starting her car now. She have a 2014 Chrysler 300, and the key fob will not work anymore. So now she can't start her car with one of the keys. The other keys she can. Blah 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 blah. Okay, listen. It's pretty, I can say simple, but your issue is you may simply have a bad battery. Here's the key. You may have a bad battery. That's why I say, man, do not ignore. One of the warning signs you would get from a bad battery, depending on your make and model of your car, is key fob battery dead or battery low. A lot of people just simply ignore that. You can't ignore that warning when your key looks like this. Okay, can y'all see that? This is off a 2014 Chrysler 300, probably similar to the one you got, the push start. There's no way you can stick a key inside the ignition and start. It's a push start. Now, if your battery is dead, the signal from this to the skim module would not be there. So you probably will end up with no start. You probably won't be able to start your car. So when that happens, now let's assume you're in an emergency state. If you somewhere out and you can't do what you need to do, like get a new battery. Let's say you're out and about and your battery decided to die. You can't no longer push the button, unlock your door, and start your car. Okay, if that's the case, you need to go to the nosebleed of the key. Okay, take the nosebleed of your key and put it on the push start button and push it with this. Okay, that should be a way for you to start your car. If that's the case, if that happens, then yeah, your battery is dead. But that's let me switch this video around. It's an emergency tip. All right, and the tip is, first of all, number one tip: do not ignore the low battery voltage warning. Okay, that's what got you in trouble in the first place. And the second tip is periodically just replace these batteries. They're not expensive at all. Okay, this key right here. They are not expensive at all. Do not wait for the computer to tell you that your battery dead and you need to change it, because you could eventually end up in an emergency state. Now, the battery is used to amplify the signal from the transmitter to your computer skim module. That's what will allow you to start the car when you push it. Notice when you get in your car, sit down, you can lay this anywhere. The battery is amplifying the signal, pushing the signal out to the module to allow starting. So if the battery is dead, hypothetically, it no longer can amplify the signal to reach the module and allow starting. So you will eventually not start. But like I say, in a case like that, just simply use the nosebleed of the key to push in and start the car. That's enough distance between this module and that module to get a signal and allow cranking. Now, if you can't get in your car, most of these keys are equipped with most of these keys are equipped with a Valet Key. See, I just pulled that out. A lot of people don't even know that, man. You really should read your owner's manual. There's a lot of important issues in your owner's manual. It's a little tab right here. Simply release that and pull this out. This is a Valet Key, which will allow you to get in your door. Again, it's a 2014 Chrysler 300. So this way you can get inside. All right, another scenario. You outside, out and about. This battery is dead. Your door is locked. Naturally, you're gonna lock your doors. Let's say when you went to grocery store, you pushed the lock button, you got out of the car, pushed the lock button, locked the door. You went inside. Between you getting out and going in the store, your battery decides to die. You go back out to the car. No longer can you push the unlock to get in the car. Okay? That's where your valet key come into play. Simply pull this out, stick it in your door, get in your car. Then you will have to simply use the nosebleed of the key to push your push start with this. Then you should start. But if I was you, especially if you went grocery store shopping at Walmart, simply turn around, go back into Walmart and get you a battery for this. Okay? So again, periodically, just replace the batteries, man. They're inexpensive. Get these batteries replaced to eliminate that dire emergency state that it can put you in. All right. Ooh, this video is getting too long. So that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Get this thing taken care of. Just get this battery replaced, and you should be fine. All right. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.